So we have this hatch here, and what we want to do is essentially type in a text and mask it within this hatch. So to do that, first we're going to type in the command line text, define the height and direction, type in, let's say, hello, and now we'll use the TEXTMASK command to mask this text. So first, before selecting the mask area, we're going to define the offset. Now it's set to 0.5, but I'll change that to 1 instead. So now I'll go and select the area by clicking and dragging my mouse and hit enter. Now, as you'll see, from where you selected that area, the program will offset the mask by 1 unit according to what you defined in the options. And this is how you mask a text within a hatch.